In this section of our tutorial, we'll discuss extrude. Extrude will give a 3D view of a flat object. So all these are versions. So if we have a box now and we want it to extrude as 3D objects, we'll go to extrude. We click extrude, then we'll drag. We are getting a box now. We'll drop our tool. So this is what we have, a box. But as we've said before, that if you can get the panel, extrude, you have several options. So first, this is the extrude camera. This is what we are seeing. If you want to change the depth and the extension to the y-axis, you can alter any of this. So we go to the next tool. The next tool is about the view. We can rotate it. Let's try and rotate this object very small. You see what we are getting. So this is very sensitive. If you're using it, you just rotate it small by dragging. So this is extrude rotation if we give, which is where we are. We can rotate it. This extrude itself. These are the units. This is the depth of what we have. If we want to change it, we can type 30 and enter. We are having a bigger box. So we go to, but the box is not facing. Let's make it face way. So I'll be able to do our illustration. So I think this is better. Okay, the next one is an extrude. Talks about lighting. You have 3 lights here. So if I choose the first light, it will appear here. So this is the direction. It's like in a box. You see that this light is sitting through it. So we can change the light. Then the intensity is very high. It did not allow us to see what we've achieved. So we decrease the intensity. Then we can change the figure here. So this about the lights we should take in care of. We have one light, you can add more lights. This is extrude color. What will be the extrude color used? So if you are interested in extrude color, we'll use any of these colors. So we go to this tool. Okay, let's see what other things you have in extrude. Extrude is on its own. So you look at this and click your object. Check whether you have a preset so that you don't waste your time trying to use normal graphics to get a box like this. So this is about extrude. You can extrude virtually anything, including hand-drawn images. So we'll have this image, which is our polyline. I'll use polyline. We'll now close it up. We'll press space. Alright. So if we go to shape tool now, we have this shape tool, which with experience we can move to anything. So we want this point close. First point we'll select where we are working on. So we'll click you can create any objects to illustrate this. So once we are in shape tool and the object is seeing us, we can join. You see the line showing. We'll join this. Now I want to use this object for extrude. So let's make it smaller. We can make it. We can add color to it. Then the next thing is to extrude it. I'll select the object. Okay, this is what we extruded. When I go to extrude dockers, these are the options we have, so which we've covered already. So the last one here saying that you can extrude and color. This one says use fill objects. It will use the fill color we have on the object, solid fill. So this uses the solid fill to okay from answer. So if we are extruding from which color to which color, so that's what we have. Okay, so that's all about extrude. Let's see if we can extrude text, but before you do anything with text, you have to connect it to color. So I have this letter here, and we want this letter big. Now we want to do some illustration with it. So if you have a text like this, first of all, we want to use it for design. You break it down to curve. You see that our change convert to curve is not showing the way for curve. You see that it's showing. So once converted, you go to the shape tool. So this is good for making things like logos. You can add your node, double clicking here. So this is how to get your implement or assign job to your 3D object. So this is telling us that we can have level here. It's possible, we've not discussed level. If we have this tool now, so you can extrude just any object. Once you select the object, you go to extrude. You see all the parameters. So we're interested in that. So we click here. We drop the tool here. Select this object and go to bevel. We click use bevel. You see options. So we have this is the first one. This is our second one. Third and fourth one. It's easy for you to set the properties of the selected object, including the lightning, the extrude rotation, and all this. So if you're interested in light, you can add a zoom of light. So we shift light 1 here. So it will be up as let's use this object. So extrude rotation. We can extrude and rotate. Okay. So what else do we have here? That's all about the extrude tool. Whatever thing you give me, I will distort it. This is where Corel Draw will stretch your imagination. So it's not, you don't even know what to expect. Let's give it the initial shape and try to distort it. Remember that the distort works with node. So the more nodes you have, the more distortion you get. So let's just drag this. So this is distorted already. Let's see how to distort this way. So you just visualize the effects. What we'll get when we distort this we don't know. So we click it and we go to distort. We click the distort, we come here and drag. The distortion is taking place. So this is where you don't even know what you're getting to. Let's use our drawing. Let's distort our drawing. We use this tool, the poly drawing. We draw any nonsense and distort it. 16 see if we can get reasonable thing by distorting it. So when you're brief of ideas, you don't know and you need fanciful things, just like what we did now. You see the fanciful thing we are doing. If you are in that situation and you just want to distort some complete and come here, this is what we are getting from this. So let's say that's preset. So we said pull, we said push. So with this you get the tents, images you never thought of that are possible from the objects you have. So this is how to use the distort. Any tool you do with any drawing you put forward, the distort will distort it for you. In the next lecture we'll talk about envelope. See you in the next